Hi everybody, my name is Kay and I'm an independent consultant with Pampered Chef. And I like hummus, and we have a recipe for the hummus in the pressure cooker, but that makes a lot of hummus and I'm the only one in my household who likes hummus. So question, do you like hummus? And does your family like hummus? So I like hummus. Since 2014, I've been on a health journey to lower my cholesterol. I used to like to dip veggies in the sour cream dips and all of the things. I really like dip. So when I had to shift to lower my cholesterol in 2014, which I did by 33 points in about 3 months. So yay me. I had to find other things to dip into. So I found hummus. Well, buying hummus at the store is getting expensive. And I always end up with way more of it than I can eat in like one day or one setting. But Pampered Chef has come out with a Tastebuds subscription. And so the Tastebuds subscription gives you 3 seasonings, at least one that's exclusive to Tastebuds, and recipes every month. Well, this month they gave us hummus, and I'm so excited about this hummus dip mix. So they gave us a recipe to go along with it, but one of the extra recipes is just basic hummus. And so I'm gonna give this a try and see what happens and see if I like it as well. So the flavors that are in here are chickpeas, sesame seeds, garlic, and lemon. And it says to use the whole package for 4 servings of the recipe, but I'm not gonna use the whole package. I'm only gonna use half. And so there's 2.2 ounces in this bag. And so I'm going to use my handy dandy kitchen scale and see if we can get half of a serving. So 1/3 of a cup of water, and then, so I need to do ounces, sorry, there we go. I was in the right place in the right time anyway. So I'm just gonna put this into the water, 1/2 ounce. Gotta get to 1-ish. There we go. There we go. So there's that. And then I need 1/2 of a tablespoon of olive oil. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna use my measuring spoon as a mixer. And so, shut my scale off so I don't confuse it completely. So like I said, it's like 1/3 of a cup of water. This hummus dip mix. Not liking this measuring spoon as a stirrer too much, but look how much it's thickening up. That's nice. Let's see if I can get it a little smoother. Oh, it smells really good too. All right. So there we are. That's way faster. So I'm not a fan of warm hummus, but this does taste pretty good. It's got a good sesame flavor as well as the garlic. Not too much of a grainy chickpea. You know how some hummuses can be really grainy? No, this is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, put it in the refrigerator. Today's Thursday, so I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator today and then take it on a picnic with us on Saturday. If you want to get your own, it's not too late to get this month's Tastebuds subscription. There'll be a link in the description below for you to get your own Tastebuds seasoning subscription. You can do 1 month and just get this month, or you can do 3 or 6 months. I'd love to see you on the other side, answer any questions that you have. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.